Hi, this is Wizy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable data saver on Snapchat. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat features a data saver mode that allows user to decrease the application's mobile data usage. When the data saver feature is turned on, user will have to manually load content such as lenses and snaps. So how to enable this feature? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just go to your settings by tap on the up left corner here. You can go to settings by tap on the up right corner here. You can just scroll down on the additional services. You can just tap on manage. Here's for the lens studio. I'm sorry. You can go to data saver from here. I forget. I'm sorry. You can go to here on the privacy control section. There is an option data saver. You can just tap on that. Here you can just checklist on it. You can enable data saver for 3 days, 1 week, or until you turn this off manually. For example, we just choose until I turn off. So now, when you turn on this feature, you can reduce Snapchat's mobile data usage. So you'll need to manually load content like lenses and snaps, and they may take longer to view. So simple, right? So that is how to enable data saver on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.